How to download TikTok for your PC. That's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So once you open the PC, we need to go to Microsoft Store here, as you can see. You can tap on this button or click on this icon. So here we got this Microsoft Store. And if you couldn't find it, just go for search here and search for Microsoft Store. In here, once open, go to the search bar here and search for TikTok. And here's the application. You're just going to click on install and just wait a few seconds until the app is getting installed. As you can see, starting download here, so just wait a few seconds. So as you can see, the app's been downloaded. I'm gonna click on open here to open the app. As you can see, it's been an app. It's not a website, but it's an app for TikTok. So once open here, you can use the TikTok or even log in with your account. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.